Hello, welcome back. Let's today solve this contradictory equation step by step. So, we are given here x plus 11 equals x. The goal is to simplify and see if we can find a solution for x. First, we subtract x from both sides of the equation. On the left side, x minus x becomes 0, leaving just 11. On the right side, x minus x also becomes 0. So now, the equation simplifies to 11 equals 0. But wait, 11 can never equal 0. This shows us that something is wrong. What this means is that the equation is inconsistent. It does not have any solution. So the conclusion is, there is no value of x that can satisfy the equation x plus 11 equals x. For a more broad point of view, if x is equal to infinity, then only the equation x plus 11 equal to x looks possible, because 11 is a negligible number with respect to infinity. So when 11 is added to infinity, no changes occur to 11 at all. So x equals infinity is the satisfactory solution for this contradictory problem. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.